The snake is pretty smart. You know why?
It doesn't come out.
The part of the snake on the back is really hard, tough. But with the snake, when he's dying now, he's giving the belly. And the really rough one.
Wow! I have it. Don't move the boat. Oh my God! Don't move the boat. Don't move the boat. Got a bite of it. Oh my God! You can see in his mouth. It's not letting go.
That's it.
What kind of snake is it?